this video, you will learn how to properly spray a porcelain tub. We will specifically cover different techniques that refinishers should focus on. The key takeaways from this video should be consistent routine, tracking coverage, consistent pace. Typically, most refinishers spray multiple light coats to gain coverage. This can be problematic and result in more errors. We will show you how to mitigate that risk by spraying heavy build coats using our technique and products. The product we are using is Primex from Zen-Tek Coatings. Primex is a high build solids epoxy primer that is specifically designed to be able to be sprayed slowly and thick without running. For more information about this product and its capabilities, click the link at the top right of the video. Now we can break up the tub into 8 sections. The goal of this method is to break down the tub to where there's a specific cutoff point when spraying. This prevents the spray gun from getting too hot. It can also reduce the risk of runs and sags, which can occur oftentimes from a lazy trigger finger. And finally, it helps keep track of progress of where you sprayed. In step 1, the tech makes several vertical passes going in an upwards motion along the overflow wall. The intention of this is to make a stopping point. On his first coat, he effectively covers the corners, pieces of the floor, and the top ledge. The benefit of doing multiple passes rather than a single fluid pass is ultimately consistency and coverage. In each pass, the spray gun is roughly 6 to 8 inches away from the surface at all times, while overlapping the previous pass. This involves very little extraneous movements from the wrist, limiting potential errors. It's common for a novice refinisher to spray this U section in a horizontal position and to stop midway for readjustment. Any experienced refinisher knows that in order to avoid runs and sags, the sprayer needs to be moving at all times. The technique we propose checks all the boxes. It allows the tech to spray consistently in a single fluid motion. There's a specific start and stop point to each pass, and the short bursts allow for low fatigueness. The rest of the spray movements are shown in the video. The key to a good finish when spraying is consistency and speed. With each pass, the tech is consistent and has a slow methodical movement with each pass, overlapping while roughly remaining 6 to 8 inches from the surface. Typically, for a simple tub like this, people often say you can't apply more than 16 ounces per coat, which is true with most legacy products, otherwise runs and sags could occur. But in our case, with the Primex systems, the tech put roughly 25 ounces of material on the surface within one coat without a single run or sag. For reference, this amount of material is complete overkill, and realistically 18 ounces of primer would be plenty sufficient for a simple tub like this. Although, this does prove how, with good technique and a great product, you can easily apply more product if needed without a secondary coat, therefore saving you time and money. The same process can be applied with the top coat. Although it may be best to apply the top coat within 2 coats rather than 1 to further reduce the possibility for a run or sag, it can still be applied within the same manner. We recommend that when applying the top coat, you have a consistent medium speed, remaining consistently 6 to 8 inches from the surface, and follow the same pattern as before.